What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of With the Auto Works. Today is the day you've been waiting for and we've been waiting for, the Rust-Oleum Colorshift paint job. Now first I'm going to walk you through all the materials we're going to use today, and then we're going to get to spraying. So without further ado, let's get into it. The materials we're going to use today are fairly simple. To my left over here we have the flat black Rust-Oleum paint in a quart. We have the acetone to thin it down. We have clear coat, and we have a custom Colorshift pearl by Did Spade. Now this is what's going to give it its magic. So first off, we got the black. So let's mix some up and let's get to spraying. Alright, so to start off with, we got the black. This is going to be our first layer, our base layer. Think of this like a tri-coat paint job. You want to put black down if you're going to do a color shift because it's a white particle pearl. And what that means is it's typically translucent over the base. So black works the best. If you put black down first and then you put your color, you're going to get full coverage, you're going to get full transparency of the color. Now you can use other colors, grays, blues, any other color you want. But depending on the color, the color shift over top will start to look more like a ghost effect. Especially over white. That's going to be like your brightest color. Obviously that's the nemesis to the black per se. But so that's the way we're going to do it. We're going to shoot it over black. I got flat black, gloss black, doesn't matter really, because the clear with the pearl in it, that's going to be our end all be all. That's going to give us our color. This is just so that we have a base to work on, and the effect's going to do the rest. So as far as mixing this goes, I typically tell you guys to do 70% paint, 30% acetone. I've had somebody in the comments say mix it 50-50, you get a good shot or a better flow out. That's fine too. You know, to each his own. Everybody's got their opinion. Nothing's wrong, guys, as long as you get it laid down, you get a consistent pattern, you get full coverage, and you don't get any runs. For this, we're just going for coverage. I am not wetting it out, anything like that. We just want to get the whole thing in black. So we got one uniform full color all over the whole vehicle. We are doing my wife's 2000 CRV, and then we'll start shooting some color. So let's go ahead and shoot that black after we mix it up. Alright guys, so I'm spraying about 6 o'clock in the morning, trying to get it in before obviously everybody gets up and moving and give it a good time to dry. A little update, the black went down fine, but my gun is just kind of crapping out on me, so I'm going to switch over to the V-Vor and let's see what that can do. And I'm going to spray the pearls and everything through that, so you'll really be getting a good full in-depth review of the V-Vor and how it sprays by how this comes out. So stay tuned and let's mix up some pearls. Alright guys, now that we got the base laid down in black, we're finally going to get to the good stuff, the pearls. Now there's multiple ways you can do this. You can think of it, like I said before, like a tri-coat, to where you have your base, your mid coat, and your clear coat. And that's the most common way to do it. You would spray your black base, you would spray an inner coat, which is typically binder of some kind, and it's basically a clear base coat. You mix your pearls in that and then you shoot your clear over top. Now you can do it that way, you can do it more in just a two-part, which is what I'm going to be doing today. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to shoot my base down, I'm going to mix the pearls in my clear coat and shoot that over to give me my color. And then you go back and you can seal it all with just clear without the pearl in it. And that's how we're going to do it, guys. I'm using Did Spade Colorshift Pearl. The color I'm using today is CX34. Now that is called Delta Pearl. On the website it has them listed as two different colors. Honestly, all the photos, video references, everything I found pretty much says they're practically the same color. But what it does is it shifts from blue to purple to pink, which is awesome. It's what my wife wants. Perfect for a female car if, you know, you guys are going that route. But anyways, the way we're going to do it is 25 grams per little container. You need 2 containers. That's 50 grams total per gallon of clear. So that's the way I'm going to mix it. Let's see what this color looks like, guys, and let's get to spraying. What is up, guys? We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick a time to go live, and we're going to be giving away prizes. The top grand prize is a 3 paint gun Vevor brand set with the regulator, water separator, the works, guys. Everything you need to get started as a beginner or to add to your collection as an expert, guys. And the only thing you have to do to win these is subscribe and like these videos, guys. And at 1,000 subscribers, I'm picking a winner. I'm going to give away other various stuff too. So don't miss out on this, guys. Tune in, like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so that's the Colorshift paint job. What do you think, sweetie? You like your new paint job?
I love it.
So this is my wife Nora, and that was her paint job, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, this video has been a long ways in coming, and I'm glad to finally be done. Like I said, we did 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum black, and we did 3 coats of the pearl. It was a pretty good saturating pearl. It did cover very well, so very happy with it, and I think the results kind of speak for itself. I can't wait to get all the bumpers and everything back on it and get it out in the light, and of course I'll share that with you guys too. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Please drop me a like, share, comment, subscribe, enter that VVOR giveaway, guys, because that gun, it's the real deal. It sprays great for what it is. But so get into that. Let's get this page up to 1,000 subscribers, and let's do some giveaways and have some fun. I'll see you guys on the next one, and have a good day, and God bless.